At the open static parking, Rosmon Expert will present a 5th-generation fighter zone with the main highlight the cutting-edge Su-57E fighter, showcased for the first time in Dubai. On the static exhibition, you can see spectacular design, eye-catching angles, and impressive armament, and they have a chance to see its advanced aerobatic maneuvers in a dynamic flight program. The Su-57E represents the latest achievements of Russian aviation engineering, combining stealth technologies, outstanding maneuverability, and modern avionics. A wide range of deployed guided missiles significantly enhances the combat potential of the 5th-generation fighters. The armament for a Su-57E displayed at the Airshow includes the internally carried weapons, Kh-69 air-to-surface cruise missiles, Kh-58 Yusha-Ke anti-radar missile, Grom E-1 guided missile, and effective Array MD-2 short-range air-to-air missile that were specially designed for a Su-57E, as well as you might see unique Array BD long-range air-to-air guided missile with a range of up to 200 kilometers. Изделие 177S turbojet bypass engine with afterburner and supersonic all-mode regulated axis-symmetric thrust vectoring nozzle will also be presented near the Su-57E, which is designed for application on multi-role fighters of 4++ and 5th generation. Joint stock company Rosmon Export for the first time proudly presents abroad a new aircraft of the United Aircraft Corporation, the Yak-130M upgraded combat trainer. The Yak-130M represents a further development of the well-known Yak-130 combat trainer. The aircraft is not only ensuring pilot training for mastering 4++ and 5th generation fighter aircraft, but also fulfills combat missions in low-intensity conflicts due to installation of onboard radar station, optical locating sighting station, the newest air weapons, modernized onboard communication equipment, and effective onboard defense suite. Thanks to the new avionics and sighting equipment, the Yak-130M will be able to engage new types of air and ground targets with high accuracy using Array MD short-range air-to-air guided missile with extended range up to 40 km, K-08BE guided air bomb of 500 kg caliber, and the KAP 250 LGE laser guided bomb of 250 kg caliber displayed in front of the aircraft. Other military asset that I would like to tell you about is the Ilyushin 76 MD-90AE military transport aircraft. It is designed to airlift troops, cargo, military equipment and weapons, as well as to conduct airdropping and air landing of personnel, cargo, military equipment and weapons at a distance of up to 9,300 kilometers. After rapid reconfiguration, it can also perform firefighting and medieval missions. Our next star